last period we did the problem related to suspense account. So now we will do the problem, new problem related to suspense. So you look, trial balance of Madan did not agree and he put the difference to suspense account. He discovered the following errors. First one, sales return book overcast. Sales return book overcast. Sales return book overcast. Entry, Anuj. Sales return book overcast.
Suspense account added to sales return account.
Suspense account to sales return. Suspense account to sales return. Okay, suspense account to sales return being sales return overcast. $800 being sales return overcast. Next, purchase return to Sahu. Purchase return to Sahu were not posted. We know that not posted. To which account that is specified, no problem, because we know that what are the books of original entry. Aparna, journal.
Sir, Sahu account debtor to purchase return account.
No, not posted. Not posted means purchase return is original entry, books of original entry. So not posted to that person, only Sahu. Okay, they didn't mention the posted to which one. So we have to write that is only to Sahu, books of original entry only purchase return. So Sahu accounted to suspense account. Being purchase return to Sahu not posted. Next, goods purchased on credit from Narula, rupees 4,000, though taken into stock, but no entry was passed in the books. No entry was passed in the books. Purchased goods from Narula, no entry was passed. So you write the entry. Purchased goods from Narula. Atul, what is the entry? Purchased goods from Narula.
Purchase account to Narula.
Purchase account to Narula. It is not recorded, so you have to record. Being purchased goods from Narula. So next, installation charges on new machinery purchased. So installation of machinery debited to sundry expense account. So install of machinery, already I said, if any asset up to installation, everything it is included in that respective asset. So installation of machinery debited to sundry expense as rupees 50. Femina. Installation of machinery debited to sundry expense.
Sir, suspense account.
So first you write, tell machinery purchased, installation of machinery purchased debited to sundry expense. Errors of principle only, this one.
Missionary account.
Missionary account
So
debtor, 1 minute, missionary account debtor, so that is 500 to Femina,
sundry expenses.
to sundry expenses. So we wrote in the sundry expenses 50, then
Suspense account.
to suspense account 450. Being machinery purchased, no, installation of machinery, being installation of machinery debited to sundry expense account. Next, rent paid for residential accommodation, residential personal of madam, the proprietor, rupees 1,400 was debited to rent account, was debited to rent account. You look at the point, rent paid for the residential purpose, residential personal purpose, that is debited to rent account. Karthik.
Sir, drawings account added to rent account.
Yes, drawings account that rent paid for residential purpose 1,400 debited to rent account. So to rent account, so they wrote how much amount? 1,000. Then balance
Suspense account.
suspense account. To suspense account. Being drawings debited to rent account. Next, over. So we will prepare the suspense account. We will prepare suspense account. Debit credit. So first entry, suspense debit to sales return. To sales return. $800. Second, Sahu account to suspense. Suspense is credit. So I write the amount. Sahu account to suspense 2,000. Next, purchase account to, so 4,000. Okay, second, credit is suspense by Sahu. By Sahu. By Sahu account. By Sahu account 2,000. Next, third one, purchase account to Narula, no suspense, no need to write. Next, missionary account to sundry expense to suspense. Suspense is credit, so debit is missionary. So by missionary 450 suspense amount. By missionary 450. Okay. Next, Last drawings accounted to rent to suspense. Here also credit is suspense. Opposite aspect drawings amount 400. By drawings 400. By drawings 400. Over. So which side is more? Credit side is more. To difference as per trial balance. Okay, 2850 minus 800, 2050.
Sir, and the second one, where is suspense account?
Second,
By Sahu account.
Sahu accounted to suspense. Purchase returned to Sahu, not posted. So, if it is purchase debit, purchase return credit. So, Sahu will be debit. So, Sahu accounted to suspense. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, by Sahu accounted suspense. Suppose if it is sales return means correct. Suspense accounted to Sahu. Sales return from Sahu. Now, 22. Trial balance of Kohli. Trial balance of Kohli didn't agree. And shows an excess debit. And shows an excess debit. So shows an excess debit. So in the suspense account, where it will come this balance? Excess debit only. So where it will come? Anyone?
Credit.
Yes, credit side. Okay, suspense account credit side by difference as per trial balance. So then we will do the problem. Journal. First, listen here. Cash received from Rajat. Cash received from Rajat. Little tough. Cash received from Rajat, rupees 5,000 were posted to the debit of Kamal. Were posted to the debit of Kamal. Wrong side only. Wrong side also, wrong head. Cash received from Rajat. So first we will wrong we will rectify. Cash received from Rajat. We know that Rajat is credit. Correct credit Rajat. But posted to the debit of Kamal. Posted to the debit of Kamal. So how to rectify the Kamal? What we will do? Kamal will be debit or credit? Kamal will be?
Credit.
Kamal will be credit. So we know that correct credit instead of Rajat only the wrote. So correct credit is Rajat. Okay, cash received from Rajat were posted to the debit of which one? Kamal. Only Kamal, only the person have the problem. So remaining is suspense. So how to write the amount? Debit to Kamal they wrote 6,000. So credit, that error will rectify. Then you have to write that Rajat. Same amount only they wrote. Cash received from Rajat 5,000. Then 11,000. Clear? Debit of Kamal we wrote correct. To rectify Kamal, credit we have to do. So correct credit is what? Rajat. Rajat is the correct credit. So instead of Rajat, we posted in the Kamal, but wrong side. So that's why double effect. To rectify double. So being cash received from Rajat posted to the debit of Kamal. Next, same type, same type. Salary paid, different. Salary paid to an employee, rupees 2,000 were debited to personal account. Salary paid debited to personal account. Annette, entry. Salary paid debited to personal account. Salary paid debited to personal account. So person wrong only. So rectification.
Salary account debted to
Account debtor 2,000
employee account.
To personal or employee account. To personal account amount it is given. Personal account 1,200. Remaining
Suspense account.
account. Being salary paid debited to personal account. Next, bills receivable. So that's not that one. Goods withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use were credited to sales account. Listen carefully. Goods withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use. If the goods withdrawn for the personal use, correct credit is what? Already you know. Credited to sales account. Goods withdrawn for personal use. We know that correct credit is what? Not debit, credit. So instead of that, we wrote sales. Aparna.
Sir, sales account debtor to
Sales,
purchase account.
sales account debtor. They wrote in the sales 1,600. To
Purchase account to suspense account.
this account, amount of purchase 1,000. To
Suspense account.
very good. To suspense account. Okay, withdraw goods for personal use. Entry what? Drawings accounted to purchase. So instead of purchase, they wrote sales. Sale is wrong. To correct, debit sales, correct credit is purchase. Then remaining suspense. Being goods withdrawn for personal use. Goods withdrawn for personal use, debited, credited to sales account. Next, depreciation provided on machinery, rupees 3,000 was posted to machinery account as rupees 300. Depreciation provided on machinery, no problem. was posted to missionary. Here missionary only have the problem. 300. Correct 3,000 is the amount. Posted to missionary means missionary account is under cast. So one thing you have to remember in this journal entry, whether missionary is debit or credit. So if it is undercast means same you have to do. If it is overcast means opposite you have to do. Here depreciation provided on missionary, what is the problem? 3,000 was posted to missionary. Only missionary have the problem. Missionary has rupees 300. Entry. Anjo. Entry.
Missionary conducted to
So one thing you have to remember, what is the journal entry for depreciation on missionary? Ancho, depreciation on missionary, journal entry. Karthik, journal entry for depreciation on missionary.
Depreciation of machinery account added to machinery account.
Depreciation accounted to missionary. So entry you tell, rectification entry.
Depreciation on machinery account added to.
Here what is the problem? Depreciation on provided on missionary was posted to missionary account as rupees 300. So here missionary only have the problem. Depreciation correct only. Under missionary we wrote only 300. So again 2,700 you have to write. So entry will be only one-sided error. Only missionary account have the problem. So Karthik.
Suspense account added to machinery.
Yes, suspense account added to missionary. Suspense account added to missionary account because missionary book undercast. Missionary account 2,700. Being undercasting of missionary. Okay, posted to missionary, that rupees 300 only. Next, sale of old car. We know that was credited to sales account. Sale of car credited to sales account. So entry. Sale of car, sold car credited to sales. Sold car credited to sales. Anjo. Car sold. Instead of car, we wrote sales. Anjo? Anila? Sold car. Sold car.
Sales account debtor.
Sales account debtor, 1 minute. Sales, they wrote sales account 6,000. Then
Suspense account debtor to.
Yes, suspense account debtor. Okay, before that, one error will rectify to car account. To car account 10,000. So credit is more. Anila, you said correct. Suspense account. Okay, sales account debtor, suspense account debtor to car account. So correct credit is car. Instead of car, we wrote sales. So that is wrong. Debit sales. Then balance amount we put in the suspense account. Being sold car credited to sales account. So now we will prepare the suspense account. So first, we have to look trial balance of Kohli didn't agree and showed an excess debit. Excess debit, it is there. So credit side, we will write excess debit. So we have to prepare suspense account, debit, credit. So excess debit is there, so credit side we have to write by difference as per trial balance. By difference as per trial balance. By difference as per trial balance, already given 16,300. 16,300. If it is excess credit, debit side you have to write. If it is excess debit, credit side you have to write, suspense account. So now we will post first entry, suspense. Suspense. So debit is suspense to Kamal to Rajat. To Kamal to Rajat. To Kamal to Rajat. For one debit, there is two credit, Rajat. Okay, to Kamal. Next, second, salary account to personal to suspense. Suspense is credit, so open opposite aspect salary. By salary 800. By salary 800. By salary 800. Next, sales to purchase to suspense. Suspense is credit, so debit is sales. So by sales 600. By sales 600. Next, suspense account to machinery. Suspense account to machinery. Suspense is debit, so debit side to machinery. To machinery. 2,700. 2,700. Then last, suspense is debit, opposite aspect car 4,000. To car 4,000. Total
17,700.
yes, both side. Okay, so if already balance is there, then it should be equal both. Okay, then you can understand that whether your answer is correct or not, if two sides are equal. Okay, so next question. So I will tell the entry, so you can do the problem. Okay, then we will finish this chapter. So tomorrow I can start the new chapter. So 23, you look at goods distributed as free sample. You can write in your textbook with a pencil if you don't know any entry. Goods distributed as free sample were not recorded in the books. Were not recorded in the books. Then you record goods distributed as a free sample. What is the entry? Anyone? goods distributed as a free sample. Free sample. So it is treated as an advertisement expenses. So you can write either advertisement accounted to purchase because goods only given. Otherwise, goods distributed as free sample accounted to purchase. Clear? Advertisement, free sample. So if anyone is, even if one want to purchase any our company's product, sample we are giving. Okay, that is goods distributed as a free sample. That is considered as a advertisement expense. Okay, entry will be advertisement accounted to purchase. Advertisement accounted to purchase. Clear? That will be the entry because not recorded. Then we will record. Next one. Goods withdrawn for personal use were not recorded. Then you record. What will be the entry? Anyone? Goods withdrawn for personal use.
Drawings account added to purchase account.
Drawings account added to purchase account. Drawings account added to purchase account. Next one. Bills receivable from debtors was not posted to his account. Bills receivable from debtor not posted to debtors, that person. Anyone? Entry.
Suspense account.
Correct. Suspense accounted to debtors. Suspense accounted to debtors because what is entry? If cash received from debtor, cash accounted to debtor. If bills receivable, instead of cash, we will write bills receivable accounted to debtor. So debtor is credit. So suspense accounted to creditor. Debtor. Sorry. Suspense accounted to debtor. Okay. Next, total of return inward book means sales return posted to return outward book. Only that is the problem. The person, no problem. Only posting error. Sales return posted to purchase return. Entry. Sales return posted to purchase return. Person, no problem. Only posting error. Sales return posted to this one. Double effect. Entry. Sales return posted to purchase return. Tell. If it is wrong, also no problem.
Sales return account debtor, purchase return account debtor,
Yes.
suspense account.
Good. Sales return account debtor, purchase return account debtor to suspense. Sales return account debtor, purchase return account debtor to suspense. Next, discount allowed to REMA. Discount allowed to REMA rupees 700 on receiving cash from her. If you receive cash only, we will give the discount. That is no problem. Was not recorded in the books. Was recorded in the books. Recorded in the books as rupees 70. It is not a one-sided error. So recorded in the books, journal only, not posting error. So recorded in the books rupees 700 means discount allowed to REMA. Correct. We have to write 700. What we wrote, only 70 only we wrote. So first question we studied. So if it is less, same entry we have to write. Discount recorded, not posted. If it is posted means, that we have to open the suspense. Here means discount allowed to REMA rupees 700 recorded in the books as rupees 70. So what will be the entry, journal entry? Only discount to REMA. Suppose cash received from REMA and given discount means cash account debtor, discount account to REMA. Here no need to write cash because only discount allowed entry we have to write. Entry.
Discount allowed account debtor to REMA account.
Yes, discount allowed account debtor to REMA 630. 630. Recording only problem. Recording time only problem. Okay. One-sided error means not posted to any account. Okay. Then which one? Wrong posting. undercast, overcast. Okay, less amount over more amount, then only suspense will come. So here means recording time, no need to open the suspense account. Okay, if it is not record means record the same entry. If it less amount means same entry you have to write. If it is more, if suppose 800 we record means opposite entry, REMA account to discounter. So that 100 you have to write. Okay, then we have to open suspense account.